Hey everyone! Ooh! If you're looking for a simple and delicious recipe, you came to the right place! Ooh! Today we're gonna be making Japanese curry with pork ribs! You can use other meats or you can go vegetarian if you'd like. Yeah, this is a recipe for 5 to 6 people. But if you're a fat ass like Shirley, it's for 4. This recipe is perfect if you're feeling lazy, but you still want to have delicious home cooked food. Let's get right into the cooking and we'll see the ingredients step by step. This is gonna be a very quick video, so pay attention. If you like the video and you want to see more recipes, leave a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. 2 small onions, 3 potatoes, 5 carrots, 1 kilo of short ribs. Add oil to your pot. Add your short ribs. Let it cook until it's brown. Then add your onions and let them sweat. Add pepper and add salt. Add your carrots and potatoes. Add water, just enough to cover everything. Leave it for 40 minutes at a medium-high heat. Prepare rice while waiting. Slap the rice. 5 kilo bag. Uncle Roger proud of nephew Julien. Then you put rice inside rice pot. Now you wash the rice. Wash at least 3 times. Then you measure water with finger. 1 part rice, 2 part water. Then you put inside rice cooker. This is Asian household, need rice cooker. After 40 minutes, turn off the stove and add 4 curry cubes. Also add 2 cubes of dark chocolate, 85 to 90%. This will add color, bitterness and flavor. The consistency will get thicker as it cools down. Lastly, you can choose to add one final ingredient. The apple will add texture and bring freshness to the dish. Thanks for watching and like and subscribe if you liked the video.